automation is the future, and you'd want to be part of it. With Power Tags, you can easily automate an event right from your calendar to do things like setting up alarms, making automated calls, sending scheduled emails, SMS, Teams posts, or even calling web APIs and webhooks. Let's go over the most basic, yet powerful features of Power Tags. The Alarm and Notify Tags. Have you ever scheduled an event on your calendar, only to realize you missed it because of the deficient alarm and reminder system your calendar currently has? Power Tags, along with its companion mobile app, Power Tags Alarms and Reminders, is the solution to this problem. Power Tags connects to your Microsoft or Google Calendar and automatically detects keywords in your calendar events. We call those keywords tags. Just type them into the subject or body of your event, and Power Tags will understand what you want to do and when you want to do it. Go to your calendar app as you normally would and add or edit an event. In this example, I will be using Google Calendar web app, but everything shown here will work with any other calendar app that works with your connected calendar. No add-ons or extensions needed. In your event, enter the following tag, Alarm 20. This little tag will create an alarm and sync to your Power Tags Alarms mobile app that rings 20 minutes before the event starts. Here, alarm is the action, and 20 is the relative trigger time in minutes before event starts. Its value can be 0 to 14,400. There is no space inside each tag. If you want the trigger time to be after the event ends, you can use the after keyword, like this, alarm after 60. Want a quick notification reminder tone instead of a longer ringing alarm? No problem. Just use the notify tag, like notify 15. So far, we've shown you the relative trigger time format, which allows us to schedule an action a certain number of minutes before or after an event. Keep in mind that this format does not work on all-day events, because all-day events don't have reference times. Now let's look at another time format. Absolute trigger time in 12 or 24-hour format that you specify directly. This format works on both all-day and regular events. For example, alarm 5:30 p.m. Here we set an alarm to ring at 5:30 p.m. on the day of the event. Note that with 12-hour format, the minute portion can be omitted. For example, notify 9 a.m. 24-hour format is supported, too. Notify 19:30. We can also set absolute trigger times up to 10 days before or after an event, like this. Alarm 1D, 9 a.m. Alarm after 2D, 4 p.m. We can tag up to 3 actions of each type to a single event. For example, up to 3 alarm tags and 3 notify tags in the same event will set multiple alarms and reminders for your most critical events. Multiple tags should be separated by spaces or new lines, like this. Notify 1D, 9 a.m. Notify 9 a.m. Alarm 30. Alarm 15. The possibilities are endless once you learn about our other tags. Do you want to set an alarm, SMS your boss, or call your gardener at the same time? Not a problem for Power Tags. The alarm and notify tags can include an optional parameter R, from R1 to R3, to specify different ringtones. For example, alarm 30, R2 will ring an alarm using ringtone number 2. R1 is the default. The ringtones 1 to 3 can be selected at mypowertags.com. As you see, Power Tags is an extremely powerful tool, and this was just the beginning. Wait until you see what you can do with the other tags. You can check our other videos and how-tos at mypowertags.com. Our web dashboard also lets you test out the tag syntax and preview your tagged events. Let's use Power Tags to automate your next event.